Welcome back. Before we start, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to configure your Twilio number so you can start handling calls and messages properly. First, sign in to your Twilio console. Once you're in, go to Manage and then select Active Numbers. Choose the phone number you want to configure. This is where all your setup options live. Let's begin with voice settings. In the voice and fax section, look for where it says when a call comes in. Here you can choose how Twilio should handle your calls. If you are using a webhook, add your secure HTTPS URL and select whether it uses POST or GET. Or if you are using Twiml Functions, Studio Flow or Proxy, just choose the matching option. You can also add a status callback URL to track call updates automatically. Now let's set up text messaging. Scroll to the messaging section and find when a message comes in. Just like with voice, you can choose a webhook, function, bin or other Twilio services. Enter your URL or select the resource you want to use for handling SMS and MMS. When everything looks good, make sure to save your changes so the configuration goes live immediately. And that's it. Your Twilio number is now ready to handle both calls and messages exactly the way you want. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Twilio setup guides.